When it comes to packaging, tape is one of the smallest items in the warehouse, but it plays one of the most important roles. It keeps cartons sealed, helps protect products in transit, improves warehouse efficiency, and gives your packaging a cleaner, more professional finish. At Pacific Packaging Australia, the A1 Tapes range has been created for businesses that need reliable tape products for everyday commercial use. Whether you are sealing cartons, preparing pallets, marking freight, completing maintenance work, or setting up a faster packing station, there is an A1 Tapes product designed for the job. Let's take a closer look at the range. First, we have A1 Tapes clear acrylic packaging tape. Available in 48mm by 75m in both 45 micron and 50 micron options, this is the everyday carton sealing tape used across warehouses, e-commerce businesses, retailers, wholesalers, and distribution centres. Designed with an acrylic adhesive, it delivers a clean, professional seal on cardboard cartons, while allowing labels, barcodes, and branding to remain clearly visible. Whether you're shipping a single parcel or preparing hundreds of cartons every day, this tape helps ensure every carton stays securely sealed from dispatch to delivery. Next is A1 Tape's Do Not Break Down pallet tape. Manufactured in a bold red and white printed design, this 48mm by 66m warning tape helps communicate one simple instruction: keep the pallet together. This tape is ideal for mixed pallet loads, retail distribution, export shipments, and customer orders where cartons have been carefully arranged. Breaking down the pallet can cause delays, misplaced products, and damaged freight. By applying this tape around the pallet, everyone throughout the supply chain immediately understands that the load should remain intact until it reaches its final destination. Sometimes a simple message can prevent an expensive mistake.
Another essential product in the range is A1 Tape's top load only printed tape. Also manufactured in a highly visible red and white design, this 48mm by 66m tape provides clear instructions to warehouse teams and transport operators that freight should not have additional loads stacked on top. Some products simply cannot withstand excessive weight. Plastic containers, fragile retail packaging, food products, lightweight cartons, and delicate goods can all be damaged if another pallet is placed above them. Using top-load-only tape provides an instant visual warning that helps reduce handling mistakes before they happen. For businesses shipping valuable freight, clear communication is just as important as strong packaging. Moving beyond packaging, A1 Tapes also offers silver PVC duct tape. Measuring 48mm by 30m with a durable 130-micron construction, this tape is designed for demanding commercial environments. Silver PVC duct tape is commonly used for temporary repairs, sealing, bundling materials, holding protective coverings in place, and general maintenance tasks. Whether you're working in a warehouse, construction site, workshop, or manufacturing facility, it provides dependable performance for the everyday jobs that keep operations running smoothly. Alongside it is A1 Tape's black PVC duct tape. Built to the same heavy-duty specification, the black finish provides a cleaner and more discreet appearance. It's ideal for cable management, equipment repairs, maintenance work, event installations, warehouse applications, and countless industrial tasks where a professional finish is preferred. Strong, versatile, and reliable, it's the kind of tape every maintenance team should have close by.
A1 Tapes doesn't just help you seal cartons, we also help improve the efficiency of your packing operation. That's why we offer a range of packaging tape dispenser guns, including handheld models and heavy-duty adjustable dispensers designed for busy packing stations. Instead of manually pulling tape from the roll and cutting it by hand, a tape dispenser allows operators to apply tape smoothly in one continuous movement. The result is faster packing, cleaner carton seals, reduced tape waste, and less hand fatigue for warehouse staff. For businesses packing dozens or even hundreds of cartons each day, a quality tape dispenser quickly becomes an essential tool rather than a luxury. When paired with A1 Tape's clear acrylic packaging tape, it creates a simple, reliable, and highly efficient carton sealing system that helps improve productivity throughout the warehouse. From everyday carton sealing to freight handling, pallet identification, maintenance, and warehouse efficiency,
The A1 Tapes range has been developed to support Australian businesses across a wide variety of industries. Whether you're operating a warehouse, distribution centre, manufacturing facility, retail business, e-commerce operation or construction company, there's an A1 Tapes product designed to help you work smarter. At Pacific Packaging Australia, we pride ourselves on supplying dependable products, competitive pricing and fast Australia-wide delivery, backed by local warehouses and knowledgeable customer support. If you're looking for tape products you can rely on every single day, explore the complete A1 Tapes range today at pacificpackaging.com.au. A1 Tapes. Professional quality, reliable performance. Built for Australian business.